Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, taking a look at Bitcoin, we have this range that we're trading through at the moment, currently range bound. This is a 30-minute chart, so let's just go out to the daily chart and get a bit of a perspective. I've drawn these or pulled these rectangle shaded areas through, and what I'm picking up are the ranges from which these moves here originated from. So we've got this distribution level through here, and same thing here. This one here as well comes into play across here, here and here. What I'm looking to do here is basically give myself a bit of a roadmap so that if we trade out of this level here, what to expect if we break to the downside. Well, we've got support at this level. If we trade further down, we've got another support level here, etc. And I mean, if we break to the upside, we have resistance through here. So we can more or less plan our trades accordingly. So let me just take some of these drawings off, and we'll go back down to the lower time frame. Again, 30-minute chart. For me to get involved, I'd have to see either a break of this high. So if this trades up, I want to see a break, retest, and fail, and that would be my cue to enter long. And the same story pretty much. If we trade down, I want to see a break of this low. The retest and fail, that's my cue to enter. Having these other levels in here, then we've got targets that we can look at pretty much. So that would be, my first target. Take profits early, target 2, possibly something like that. But that's my take on Bitcoin. There's no trade setup at the moment. I don't want to enter the market just for the sake of having to trade. Just wait for the setup and see how we go. I am tending to lean more to the downside. I think we're fairly overextended. The stock markets are overextended. Bitcoin's closely related with the stock markets. Keep an eye on the tech stocks and the S&P. Just see how they behave tonight. If we see the start to retrace, I would say Bitcoin would follow suit. And I mean, having a look at this, does look like it's tending to lean in that direction. I mean, we do have a bit of I guess, a descending triangle shaping up here as well. But you don't trade based on that. I want to see the break and retest fail. Okay, guys, that's it pretty much. Check the links below. Visit my website. Go to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.